place where they know my name. Familiar faces everywhere when I'm driving down the interstate.
A special shout out to our graduating class of 2026. Congratulations and mabuhay! How about giving them a big round of applause?
I feel right at home. This is right where I belong.
Some friends and, good friends of yours from school may forget your face. But I tell you this, right? People will always remember the quality of work and how you are able to handle those challenges. Eto na tayo. Be ready for global competitiveness. Remember that our world today isn't bound with geography per se.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama, pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba nung ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo, at hanggang sa dulo, magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking paa, sa tuwing na ako'y gagapang ng dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, papa, pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la tara.
When I was young, I wrote a speech titled, I Want to Be Somebody. And at that age, I believed that if I worked hard enough, life would unfold exactly as I imagined.
Pikit ang iyong mata, tana, pahinga muna, ako na.
I studied in a public school in Tondo, Manila, and later earned a bachelor's degree in broadcast communication from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Experiencing life here in the Philippines firsthand broadened my understanding of our country's realities and strengthened my appreciation for the value of education, perseverance, and public service.
Pahinga muna, ako na.